Brix is an easy-to-use online app that allows you to forecast every area of your business. It's a complete and detailed picture built up from simple component parts. Each item calculates the forecast for a different task, such as selling a product. Here I can set a price, estimate my sales volumes, and tweak other options, like adding a cost of sales or adjusting my payment terms. Once set up, it feeds the numbers to my charts and reports. Other components specialize in different financial tasks, such as paying salaries or taking out and repaying a loan. And altogether, they work to create this complex financial picture that's been achieved through combining really simple, flexible building blocks. As you enter your forecast into these components, the numbers output to an entire set of reports. Here you can find your cash flow, your profit and loss, and your balance sheet. These reports can be exported for printing purposes or for further tweaking in a spreadsheet. However, they are also incredibly easy to analyze. Every row can be broken down into the components it's been made from, allowing you to trace the origins of your numbers. It gives you and your investors confidence in the figures, since you can easily explain how each number is derived. Finance has a bit of a reputation for being mysterious and difficult to understand, and our aim with these tools is to remove these barriers as much as possible. The dashboard visualizes your forecasts to provide quick feedback on how every area of your business is performing. You'll be able to see your total cash each month and various breakdowns for income, costs, assets, and loans. Like the reports, the charts build automatically as you enter your forecasts, and tooltips provide helpful breakdowns in a similar way to drilling down rows in reports. You can easily spotlight on a specific area of your plan by isolating it with the drop-down in the top left. This allows you to quickly inspect the numbers of a specific part of your plan. The dashboard is a friendly view to work with, as it's easy to understand. And as you enter your forecasts, changes are clear and obvious. The dashboard gives you the general picture, whilst the reports are there if you want to dive into the details. Every item in Brix runs on its own timeline row. This view gives you drag and drop control over when activities start or end in your forecasts. You can simply drag the start or end date for an item or group of items to move it a month at a time. This will shift your numbers accordingly for you to check the impact in your dashboard and your reports. It's very useful when you're planning new projects and deciding when to start them, or for seeing the consequences of launching a product late and trying to judge if your cash flow can cope. As you drag an item, tooltips inform you of the starting date and the date that you're changing it as you drag. So like everything in Brix, we try and keep things visual and easy to understand. The timeline adds another important dimension to your forecasting activities and scenario testing. Our philosophy at Brix is that financial planning is not just about looking at one potential outcome, one future. It's about looking at many outcomes, adapting and changing as new information comes in, testing your business against the future in case the worst happens, and planning for what the best outcome could look like. So Brix is inherently flexible. It's designed for change. Every item or group of items in your plan can be copied, allowing you to make multiple versions of the same forecast. You can turn items on or off, so you can look at different forecast combinations, and you can shine a spotlight on specific items through the dashboard. Altogether, this allows you to build a plan with multiple outcomes in mind, which you can look at and analyze in just a few clicks. Also, A Brix account purposefully comes with multiple plan slots so that you can do things like keep a master plan and then create copies of that plan so that you can freely experiment with future growth ideas. Brix is great for any size or type of business, and is also very useful for startups since it doesn't rely on having past accounting data to begin with. New plans start with a business template that makes it easy to learn the ropes and get up and running quickly. The interface has built-in tooltips and expandable help in all areas. And we have a dedicated support site with more in-depth guides and videos. We also have live chat on the website and email support for contacting our friendly support team with questions, help and feedback. In addition, we regularly add new features through free updates. Start your 14-day trial today by signing up for free at Brix.com.